put your trust in the Lord, it makes going through a whole lot easier. When we mess up because we grumble, we complain, we don't think hard, we don't weary, we don't want to suffer, we don't want to fight through this thing. But God is saying there is a way to go through. And if you do not correctly go through, then you will abort the promise that I have for you. You can abort the deliverance that He has set up for you when you don't go through right. And Daniel has found himself complaining in the situation. And Daniel found himself compromising. He would have never been delivered while sitting in this den of the lion. This den. And not only the den of lion, Daniel found himself in 3 other situations. They tried to get him before with an interpretation. They tried to get him before with a dream. And they tried to see if he was really truly what he said he was. Daniel even tried to get him in the beginning of this book. Daniel chapter 1 tried to get him to eat the king's meat. And Daniel knew better because of the way he had been taught. He knew not to eat the king's meat and not to take the strong drink. Satan